Hi friends, this is Harish, Assistant Professor EE Department of SNS College of Engineering. I welcome you all for the 5th semester. Okay, so I'm going to handle you the subject microprocessor and microcontroller. Its subject code is 8085551. It's a little bit of programming subject. Microprocessor and microcontroller is main of processor, microcontroller, controlling a device. So that kind of subject. So it's a 3 credit course and you have 45 hours subject. The syllabuses are shared in the websites. So you can visit and see. So good morning, this is my about myself. So let us go to the class. So let us guess today's what topic we are going to see. Today's class we are going to see just an introduction about the microprocessor and microcontroller. What is meant by microprocessor and what is meant by controller? What do you see from this image? Can anybody guess this? Yes, it is a processor. It is a i7 processor chip. Nowadays the latest version i8, i10, from i3 to i10 versions are there. It is a processor chip which consists of so many of RAM, ROM, memories, everything is considered in this. As example, a human needs a brain which is to operate the control. So same in a PC or in a mobile, the need of processor is important. Like a smartphone, we need Android OS. That is the processor that runs the system. So today's topic is introduction to microprocessor. So today's class we are going to see the introduction to microprocessor. So let us get some brainstorming session. What do you see from this image? What is this? Good. This is an old PC which is been used, where there is a speaker, there is a system unit, screen, monitor, speaker set, and microphone, mouse, keyboard. This is the version of previous year, late 90s. Nowadays, all the session will coming in a one system, only one monitor system. Like example, mobile phone. This is a mobile phone which consists of you can record, you can speak, you can monitor, you can hear videos, everything. So like that. So today's laptops, everything is in upgraded version. So that is done by the most of the thing is processor, microprocessor and microcontroller. Microprocessor is the major roles in every systems, in every PCs, every electronic goods items. The microprocessor is the main role. So this is the block diagram basic of computer system, where the computer CPU consists of RAM, ROM, IO, input output interface, and input output devices. So these are being connected with the central processing unit. What is meant by CPU? The central processing unit. So that is the main processor running the RAM, ROM, input output interface, and input output devices. So ROM is random access memory, that is RAM. ROM means read only memory. Input output interface. What are the input output interface? And input output devices like mouse, keyboards, CPU, DVD player, everything. These are the IO input output devices. So these are the block diagram of basic computer system. So evolution of microprocessor. So this is the evolution map in which is number of transistors. In 1971, late 1971, the transistor use are 4,000, 8,000. So it is increasing. It is according to billions of transistor is corresponded to one chip. So that is the evolution of microprocessor done nowadays. Mainly, the microprocessor is the main concept where the evolution change in future. In previous days, there was no phone, interphones, cell phones are there. But nowadays there are cell phones, there are Wi-Fi, everything is inbuilt in the smartphone. That is why we are called as smartphone. So find the bits. Fill the following bit in MB. What is 4-bit means how much MB? 8-bit means how much MB? 16-bit means how much MB? And 32-bit means how much MB? So 4-bit means is nibble. No 4 bits are there. and 8 bits is byte, 16 bit is word, 32 bit is long word. So these are the assessment you can just get. Nowadays we are having 64 bit and 82 bit and 128 bit. So the bits are increasing nowadays. So fetching an instruction. Okay, the microprocessor is a processor which need to update the data, upload the data. Like we are must catch the data first, and we must fetch the data. Like we when like in a processor, in your mobile example, take it as a mobile. I tell Google Alexa, open music player. It will open automatically through Wi-Fi mode. So that command should be given in our program knowledge. Like example, in our SNS institutions, we are having design thinking curriculum. The design thinking curriculum, where in last year we implemented automation boardroom by our EE department students. You know that. So in that we an Alexa control, we are automating that boardroom. Am I right? You seen that automated boardroom? Yes, you have seen it. While Alexa turn on the lights means it will be turn on. Alexa turn off the light means it will turn off. So that is the programming done in that using Arduino board. But it is also microprocessor. Arduino board also, it's a one kind of microprocessor unit. So that unit is used to control the whole network. So these are the bus system connections where you have ALU, accumulator unit, internal communication, registration temporary, control session, RAM, ROM, and interface, input interface, input devices like keyboard, joystick, scanner, pen line, output device like monitor, printer. So these are the storage devices, floppy disk, hard disk, CD-ROM, and magnetic. These are the old kinds of system. But nowadays we are having memory cards, pen drives. Even we not need of even having hard disk also. Even nowadays we don't need of these storage devices also. We can share directly to the using Wi-Fi connectivity. So these are the references used to prefer for this subject and introductions. Okay. So these videos and everything you can watch using the YouTube. So let me show you a YouTube video. It's a brief introduction about the microprocessor. So let us see. So this video shows how you are going to control and how you are going to check the system. So before I am going for thank you slide, I am going to show you the video. The video will give you the brief session about what you are going to study. So you are interested how do you learn how we are do you know what is microprocessor, what is my so these are the difference, and this is the introduction video I will show you because it's the delay and speed of Wi-Fi. If I have speed Wi-Fi, it is best in option. So let me go to the video. Okay. So guys, it's a 1 hour video, so you can go directly to the slide. Okay, you can check it out. Okay, you can download this video into YouTube. It's available. So it will be most useful for you. Okay, it will be the most useful for you. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for the wonderful session. Thank you. Thank you so much.